Welcome back, folks, to another episode of Product Critique, where we delve deep into the world of innovative tools and gadgets to bring you the best insights. Today, we have something truly special for all you outdoor enthusiasts out there: the ultimate Parang Machete. Now, let me tell you, this isn't just any ordinary machete. This is the creme de la creme. The best of the best, the top-tier Parang Machete available in the market. Crafted by ETZOOEUU, this machete is a game-changer for anyone who loves spending time in the great outdoors. First things first, let's talk about its construction. Made from high-quality stainless steel, this machete is not only durable but also resistant to rust, ensuring it stands the test of time even in the harshest conditions. But what sets this machete apart from the rest? Well, besides its impeccable craftsmanship, it's the sheer versatility it offers. Whether you need it for yard work, tree cutting, brush clearing, or even survival situations, this machete is up for the challenge. And let's talk about safety. Each machete comes with a sheath for safe and convenient storage, ensuring that you can carry it with you wherever you go without any worries. But remember, folks, with great power comes great responsibility. This machete is incredibly sharp, so it's essential to take good precautions during use, especially around children and the elderly. Now, let's hear from some satisfied customers who've had the pleasure of using this incredible tool. As you can see, the consensus is clear: this machete is a game changer. Whether you're a seasoned outdoorsman or just someone who enjoys working in the yard, this machete is sure to become your new best friend. Well, folks, there you have it, the best Parang Machete on the market. Don't just take my word for it, though. Try it out for yourself and experience the difference firsthand. Until next time, happy exploring!